Hello, this is Bruno. Actually, it's quite exhausted while doing this because I have been helping people to chase their own dreams. And back in the times that I've been helping lots of people, like they are willing to get some like radio play, I've helped them to find people, and then I even become one of the characters, a voice character, you mean? And they want to make a magazine, they want to make a book, they want to write whatever that will be, recipes, they want to start businesses. I help them. I build a bridge for different peoples, connecting with different peoples. However, once it's turned out like this, they just blend it, they just throw it away, and all the resources are prepared for you, and then you just got away. Okay, I start thinking my accent is quite Asian now. And it turns out, I would find out the problem is uh, too many dreams, too many ideas, and too many different methods. I don't have a system to manage. I don't have a system to formalize all those things. And it turns out it's very hard for me to concentrate. Would that be or would it be a possibility that one single method or one single system can be solved every different dreams? And I found it now. The very first idea is AI. The AI implementations to use for achieving our own dreams. You want to make a radio play? AI will help you to do all the voice actors and then maybe your own script. You want to write a book? AI helps you to seek how exactly to write a book with the editors or publisher would like. If you want to go travel around the world, AI help you to adjust which time, which method is the cheapest way for you to travel and safe. It's safe, okay? Not going to ask you to walk to on foot. No. So those kind of things shall be the method for helping any other's dream to come in. And the second thing is I'm going to let your dreams allowing you to earn money. Or in other terms, it's not affecting your life expenses, which means that you can keep your own life standards, you can keep your own work, and then you can still chase your dreams. Or in other terms, chasing your dream can make you have influence, revenues to come in. This is so different. But this idea will be related or allied to the United Nations for the Sustainable Development Goals number 8. It's called the decent work and economic growth. Whose work? Your work. You can either use your dreams as your own career or your work to earn money, or you should still doing your job and then not related or no need to lower your living standards or your work issues to chase your own dreams. The second thing is what kind of economic growth? Of course, yours. You can earn money or you can get less money, pay less money. So which means that you are getting more and more economics, economic growth or economics living status. Based on these ideas for each of us, it could be maybe your own circle, maybe your city, maybe your own country, or the nations, or the different part of the world. They will be able to reach out these ideas. And the last but not least is a platform for people to share dreams and test their ideas. I heard students or groups, student groups inside or right behind me, talking about the start a plan, and they saw one of the students say that you never talk about the cost. You have too many ideas. You should focus on something. You should focus things on the money. I would say that that's not true. No one talk about money now. No one talk about the cost now. Because you did not test it yet. You don't even know how much money you're going to spend. Maybe you don't need to spend any money. Like AI, you don't need to spend any money while you are making a plan. Some people just think that I need to be very focused, very detailed for my own plan and project. I used to fall for that trap before, and now no. It's validations, it's testing idea first. You make a slightly MVP, which means a minimal valuable product or service outside to see or to test how the market think about this project, how the world think about this project. Maybe your dream is not that good. Maybe your dream is very good. I don't know. Nobody knows once you test it and you can adjust it or you can make it your way. So that is why I would like to make a very good platform on that one. In the other terms, this kind of ideas, this kind of platform, maybe in futures there will be like ventures or like startup ventures, or maybe there will be the fundings or whatever that will be to join. But I don't want to go that far first. I don't want to make it so crazy first. I want to make a test first. That's why I would like to build a models that could help all of us to achieve our dreams. That's what I would like to do. So if you're interested, or if you have any questions or any ideas to come up, feel free to talk to me. Thank you very much. Bye bye.